This. All right. So good morning, everyone, and let's start. Let's start the fun. So let me share my screen and let me share with you what I have planned. And uh, see, I have worked on today's session more than any other session. So because I was, I for from 1 week, I'm thinking of ideas. How should I do? How should I move ahead? I was asking people, and people cannot give me ideas because they cannot feel the emotion that I am feeling. So I got the message that you have to do it, not anyone else can do. And then this is something that is just a minute here. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes, all right, all
yes.
right. Yeah, all right. So this is just a special and small gift from my side. Graduation ceremony. So why graduation? Because all of you, some of you are associated with me for more than a year, and some of you are here from the month of October. And it's a 8 months long journey. And I haven't when I had started, my agenda was not to start 8 months journey, believe me. My agenda was just to conduct a 3 months program, only 3 months program. And I was like, every 3 months I will uh, give this for 3 months I will go live, and that batch will be over, then I will think about what to do next. Nothing was planned. One day I was talking to one of you, and I remember it is Lalita. When I was talking to her, she was like 3 months. And I was like, and then I started thinking, and from nowhere, the words came out of my mouth 8 months. And after that, it was not planned. When I came out of the call, Lalita, if you remember that, I came out of the call and what did I say? 8 months? Do I have
Yeah,
anything?
I remember.
You remember? And
Yes.
call, I was like, 8 months? How is it possible? And then one day I sat down. अभी बोल दिया ना, अभी बोल दिया तो ये commitment है. Maybe universe wants me to do this. And actually it gave a very good space, time to design every concept with utmost diligence and dedication, because I could understand that manifestation is not something that you can really learn in 3 months. It requires some support. It requires, because life will give you challenges, and then every small concept could reach you, because I committed this 8 months out of nowhere to Lalita. So thank you, Lalita, for being a part of this creation. And this,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah.
We should be thankful to you because you have transformed our life. So we are lucky, that it happened.
Oh, that is your greatness, Lalita. Thank you so much for being grateful. So today, I want you to uh, understand this and remember this forever. You are special. अगर आपके स्पाउस, आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके बच्चे कहीं भी लाइफ में आज से टिल द लास्ट मोमेंट ऑफ योर ब्रेथ आपको कहीं भी लगे ना, आई एम अलोन, नो वन इज देयर फॉर मी, नो वन अप्रिशिएट्स मी, आपको सिर्फ एक काम करना है. आपको ये लाइन याद रखनी है, एंड दिस इज स्पेशली फॉर यू. और अगर इससे भी पेट नहीं भरा तो जस्ट कॉल मी एंड यू विल फील हाउ यू आर स्पेशल. Every one of you, this is a message. You are very special. And it is not a coincidence that we are here together on this journey. We were destined to meet, and we were destined to inspire each other. So today, before we move ahead, I would like to call, I'm going to take one name, and then I'm going to tell a story of that person. So this person is actually an extraordinary person, because he has uh, he has come from a place where, and he is coming, not we should not talk in the past. This person is present on this call. This person comes from a place where the resources, abundant resources, are not present. Awareness is not present, but still this person is constantly striving to give excellent services to the people around. This person is someone who has that childlike curiosity and open mind to learn and see if it is okay, if I am not born into that family which can give me this thing, or I am not in a city or town where I can get the resources, but nothing can stop me from learning and elevating myself. I will make a great use of this online platform. And this person has gone out of his ways to make his dreams come true. And there are many qualities that I'm going to talk about. But first of all, I would like you to clap your hands together, unmute yourself, and clap your hands together for Dr. Gajanan Shirde. He is absolutely a special person, has always been very, very, regular and sincere. So this certificate of appreciation is awarded to you, Dr. Gajanan, not just for completing this journey, but for achievement of sincerity. Your sincerity has touched my heart, for embodying the concept. You are one participant who has listened to the concept and you have taken it to your heart. This is so uncommon, I tell you. In the outside world, people are very resistant, and you have embodied the concept and taking inspired action every day. When you used to share, you took inspired action for your clinic, you talked to your staff members when it was not going well. You were absolutely in that zone where you could, let me see what else I can do. And then you said that I kept peace. So every day you were trying. Shifting to 10x rich mindset identity is not an easy job. Knowing it and realizing it are different things. And I have seen in the conversation with Dr. Gajanan, his conversation, his words, his sharings have actually radiated that energy where he was vibrating at a very high frequency of uniconsciousness. And embodying 10x rich mindset identity in such a short time is actually an achievement. In the outside world or anywhere, you all have done a lot of work, but no one has given you any certificate for the parenthood role, for being an amazing spouse, for being an amazing child. This certificate is not just a piece of some online thing. I have put my heart and soul in making it, thinking about every person of you, every one of you, and writing these qualities according to your real self. You will find out that this is exactly you. You are more than this. So your qualities, your greatness cannot be contained in this certificate. It is beyond this. But still, I would say that you are 100x of all the words that I have written. But thank you very much for connecting with me, for walking on this path together, for sharing a part of our lives together, and being here for these 8 months and always being curious. So Dr. Gajanan, whenever he used to miss a session, he used to put a personal message. I'm not going. So who does that? I mean, no one does that. No one cares so much. But he was absolutely sincere enough to do that. So every message of you, Dr. Gajanan, it matters. And every effort you have put in matters. I look forward to listen to the news of you creating 100x result in your expansion, and in your expansion of practice and in the monetary results that you create. I know that you have created amazing mind-blowing results, and I never prodded you to talk about it, but still the stage is yours, and this is your time to share your thoughts.
Very thank you for providing platform. The simple line, all things are planned by universe. We are just connected by the dots. We are the part of the great program of the universe. Literally, I appreciate our team, USA, being pushed. एक 5 दिवसाखाली जागेमध्ये एक बोर घेतला. तर त्यावेळेस माझी इच्छा नव्हती, पण वडिलांचं एज्युकेशन होतं की तिथं दवाखान्याची जागा घ्यावी, तिथं पाण्याचं नियोजन केलं होतं. तर when I look to the universe, तिथं मी लिटरली 5 एलिमेंट्सला ग्रॅटिट्यूड केलं. त्यावेळेस अक्षरशः डोक्यापासून पायापर्यंत शहार येत होते. आता सुद्धा तुम्हाला बोलताना शहार येतं पूर्ण अंगावरती, काटे अंगावरती लिटरली. आणि त्यावेळेस लक्षात आलं की we are the part of the great program of the universe. We just have to involve by our heart. Just not make any doubt about the universe. Literally, from last few days, just I'm resonating with my higher self towards my work. I'm passionately doing restorative work in the work. And, as I resonate with the higher one, literally I being in meditation, being forget over all other things surrounding me. त्यामध्ये मेडिटेशन होतं. लिटरली मागच्या एक 15-20 दिवसाचं जे सेशन आहे सेशन मध्ये पूर्ण टर्नआउट झाले. लिटरली थँक्यू.
Wow, lovely. Thank you so much for sharing, Dr. Gajan. आम्हाला कळलंच नसतं जर आज तुम्ही शेअर नसतं केलं. मागचे 15 दिवस तुमच्यासाठी ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशनल होते. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग. एंड आप जब जो भी लोग हैं जो डॉक्टर गजानन को नहीं जानते हैं, दिस पर्सन इज his strength is his focus. When he is in the session, he immerses himself in the conversation. So it is not just about attending the session. What I have found out special about him is his all senses, his ears, eyes, his mind, and his focus, he is never distracted to anything else, never distracted, and the result is in front of you. When he speaks, his transformation is evident because he so Dr. Gajanan, do you think that 8 months ago you were a different person and now you are a different person?
हो, खरंच ना. लिटरली डिफरंट वन अँड टुडे आय एम डिफरंट वन. ऍक्च्युअली दॅट ग्राउंडिंगनेस ना यू प्रोव्हाइड अस.
Very good, very beautiful. Your smile is precious. Keep it up. And always be this person who elevates himself and others around you. I'm sure, I'm 100% sure that all your dreams are going to come true very soon. So, tathastu. Tathastu. Yes, thank you very much. Yeah, so this was Dr. Gajanan for all of us. And, in life, life becomes beautiful because of the people. Life doesn't become beautiful just because of the materialistic things that you have. But some people are there who have this ability to make everything look beautiful, and they have this good sense of aesthetic to make everything poetic, to make everything beautiful, to make the other person feel that whatever they are doing is so great. So such kind of people, they don't just express their emotions, but they elevate the self-esteem of every person. And when such people come in the field of aesthetics, they come in the field of designing, then their importance in everyone's life increases. So I would like you to put your hands together for Subhash Nair. Subhash Nair has been a very regular, extremely regular and sincere. So Dr. Gajanan and Subhash, these two people, they are very hard to beat in the field of regularity and sincerity. Being live, coming live on the sessions, asking their queries, and then whenever they used to feel that something is not happening, the biggest strength that Subhash had is he was very open-minded and ready to keep all his ego layers apart. In India, to have that ego is very easy, even male or female, both. But Subhash Nair has actually broke that myth. He has broke that myth, and he has, he always came on the sessions with no ego, with that, I am here, just that childlike student. I am here, ma'am, just give me whatever you have, and I am ready to take it. This was the faith that he had, and he has healed himself very beautifully. This person was not in a very good shape as you are looking at. So every person that you're seeing here, they were at a very different stage. At 8 months back, they were struggling with something. Subhash was also struggling with his health, with his happiness, with his multiple setbacks in business. He was absolutely not at that place where he could even choose this program. But when he jumped into it, he with beyond my expectation, he put all his dedicated efforts. And today Subhash is here doing all these assignments. Not a single session went when he did not do his assignment. And even on his one-on-one conversations, he used to express his deep sense of gratitude. You must have read his messages, how it was filled with gratitude. He was an example of expressing gratitude. I learned so much from you, Subhash. And the biggest thing is you were ready to shed your layers of ego. So every one of us, we are welcoming you and we are congratulating you for your success, because today you are enjoying that elevated sense of well-being which was not present 10 months back, right? So the stage is yours. Please share what you feel today.
Thank you so much, Dr. Pallavi. I'm really overwhelmed and choked with your description. I feel you know me more than I know myself. It's fabulous. It's been an amazing journey. I just can't describe or put it in words. Even if I speak 1,000 words, it will be less. Every single day, when you said it is 8 months, that's when you realize it's been 8 months. But I still feel, I mean, it just went off like that because every day was so interesting. There is not a single day where I have not learned something. There was not a wow moment. Every day it was a transformation, a little by little. I have never felt in my life or experienced in my life the fact that everything is energy. We are all so connected with energy, and everything around is energy. You know, so that this journey has been really, really beautiful and amazing. I just can't describe it. Uh, let me tell you, yeah, when I began the journey, I was in the lowest of energy. I mean, I should say, because I just suffered setback in the business and then biggest emotional turmoil also. It is because uh, I did business with a friend and it came, everything went on beautiful, but towards the end, when it entered into sort of conflict, I really felt what is happening with me. So there was some money that got stuck. Uh, I was in the lowest state of, started disbelieving myself. I lost all my powers, energy, and that was the state when you came into life. Just like yesterday, as you mentioned, the Hanuman was standing there thinking now what to do, how to go ahead. And that's when, his mentor, Jambavan, came into his life and showed him what he really is. And God has sent you like that. The way Arjuna was standing in Kurukshetra thinking what to do and should I give up all this? And Lord Krishna came into his life at that moment, and that's how you came into my life, Dr. Pallavi. Definitely, you have been an amazing, amazing mentor, uh, because you have inspired me with your level of commitment, level of enthusiasm, the positivity that you every day bring onto the screen and then bring it to that's something which is very rubbing on us. The day starts with that capsule and it gives energy for the whole day. And that vibrant smile of yours, I used to, I'm sorry to tell about, I don't like comparing, but I always used to feel God has given me a guru who is as beautiful as Madhuri Dixit. Because, and with such powerful energy, and a power lifter, my goodness. So you have all the power you have, and that authority that you have on your subject, so that has actually transformed. And I would say watching it live while you're speaking on the video makes a lot of difference than watching the video. Of course, that is, but here some energy transfer is happening. Every day I've experienced that, So it's been a fabulous journey, and uh, I feel that this journey has not stopped here. It is not a conclusion of a journey. A new journey is beginning today. Whatever you have taught us, it has all gone into my subconscious mind. It has gone into my system. Uh, I have, I still have a lot to catch up with in terms of action, and I am sure I will produce those results and come back to you as a, see, like, yesterday, what you said is, I have this desires that we have in life is planted in us by the universe, and you made us realize that. And so this desire that we have in life is a gift from the universe to us, and manifesting it, bringing it to life, manifesting it is going to be my gift to the universe and my gift to you, Dr. Pallavi, because you are the universe for me. You are the form of the universe for me. All right. So this journey begins here, and I'm sure I feel it's been a wonderful journey with Dr. Gajanan. Such like how you mentioned, such a nice person, such a beautiful person, such a authentic person, such a lovely person. I am sure he's going to thrive.
Yes.
And
Same
similarly, Piyush, great man, such a lovely guy, and I'm sure he'll also be flourishing in his life. And together we are all going to flourish because it is the same energy that has gone into the same seed that has been planted. You have prepared us so well, and the seed has been planted. Now it is just a matter of coming out and growing. And I'm going to nourish this seed very, very sincerely. Thank you so much. I just have no words. My gratitude is going to be in the actions that I'll be taking, and I'll make you proud. I'm sure about it. Thank you so much with all gratitude. I give you a standing ovation today.
Oh my God.
And
Yes.
I really wish that you reach out to millions of people, because lot of people require this. Dr. Pallavi, let this be a small beginning for you and a big, and may you reach out to millions of people. They all need you. Thank you
Wow.
so much.
My God. Listening to Dr. Gajanan, listening to Subhash, it has literally brought me into tears. And I am feeling that, that energy, that shivers, I'm feeling down the spine. Thank you so much, Subhash. You have been like a child to me. I always used to, sometimes data bhi hai, sometimes messages pe I have said some rude things to Subhash. You are not doing this, you are not doing that. And I'm glad, and I am really curious to see what Subhash is going to create, because his healing journey was not so easy. This person who looks so vibrant, who looks so grateful, he has a lot of ups and downs in his life. He has healed many relationships in his life. And I would say that जिस चीज को 10 साल लग जाते थे, Subhash has done that in just a few months, because he has implemented it. Otherwise लोगों को 20, 25, 30 lifetime लग जाता है. He has healed, and his time has just come now, and he is going to create the results and share with every one of us on the group very soon. Thank you, Subhash, for being the person you are. Thank you very much. So
Thank you so much.
yes, and today I think Piyush is not seen, right? All right, no problem. So now I am going to talk about a person who is a very ambitious person. एंड यू वुड बी लाइक एम्बिशियस बोलने के बाद एक्चुअली ये वर्ड तो हमारे ग्रुप के सारे ही लोग एम्बिशियस है, बट व्हाट इज स्पेशल अबाउट हर, शी हैज अमेजिंग लीडरशिप स्किल्स. What I have noticed in her is she is strong like iron and fluid like water inside. So one word to describe this lady is coconut. And whenever I used to go on a call with her, I used to feel like, how can I break her? How can I break her? Break her means, breaking means, making that person speak about the deepest thing. And even at that time, she used to speak so gracefully. She used to admit to the follies, to the downfalls of her life. Then she used to appreciate. So in one call, she used to take me to the emotional roller coaster ride, how she was going through the challenges, how she took action, every small word. Even I used to forget what I said, and she used to, in one session, do you remember, you had said this, then I did this to my mother, I did this to my father. And then today she is actually displaying her leadership qualities. Her enthusiasm for doing something big in her life is coming through the project that she is embodying. So this person is no other than Lalita Shenoy Baliga. Lalita, a beautiful lady, a strong, I would say that uh, she's, means if you, Lalita, can you just open your camera? She is not a normal person who will just, you will see here and there. She is someone who is always mindful of what she's speaking, always aware, and always graceful. So put your hands together for Lalita. Yes.
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Hi, Dr. Pallavi.
Yeah.
Actually, my feeling is that, everybody comes into our life for a reason. And you are here definitely there to inspire us, motivate us. You have taught us how to think and, how to be um, without carrying any baggage. And I think we owe it all to you. We are lucky actually to have a mentor like you. And as Subhashji said that, you're always smiling and you're so graceful. I think if we get those properties, it's because we have picked it up from you. So even though I have never been a part of, online sessions, like live sessions, I have never missed a single video of yours. And it is really very motivating. Every class has something special that has, taught us how to be. And what I love the most is you're always saying that, you are magic, be magic. So I just love that. And I think, basically what I learned, what changed me was the feeling that in one of your sessions, you mentioned that, happiness is something which comes from within. Nobody else can make you happy. It is you. You have to make your own self happy. So, yeah, I think that was a big life changing moment for me when I realized that we associate our happiness with so many things. If she does this, I'll be happy. If he does this, I'll be happy. My team does X, I'll be happy. But no, if you actually think about it, no, you can control whatever your happiness is, you can control no matter what. It should come from within. And I think I am that person now where I can just be very, what do you say? No matter what happens, I can think of something positive in that. And I dedicate that thought because you have trained us to be that way. So, thousand thank you. And I really appreciate your constant, vibrant energy and constant smile. You really motivate us to be like you. Thank you for, being a part of our lives. And thank you. You're like, since God cannot be everywhere and be with everyone, you are the one mentor who God has placed in my life. That's what I think. So
Oh,
thank you so much.
oh my God, Lalita, you're making me emotional. So in short, who आप अगर ललिता को नहीं जानते हैं, तो ललिता is on her way to create something magical. Lalita, can you just talk about your new project?
Yeah, sure. So I work for a software firm to give a background, and I'm constantly busy with some new software projects. But recently, I have been thinking from a year that I should get in touch with some friends and plan to start something on my own. Maybe get a new project and four friends work together to achieve it. So we are kind of now we have teamed up with some ex colleagues of mine, and we are trying to bag a project which we can do on our own. So let's see how that goes. But
Yeah.
yeah, we're trying something different.
Congratulations, Lalita. That shows your entrepreneurship spirit. And Lalita has always been, a silent warrior. You would not have seen Lalita share much or do much, but she has been a constant force of action all the way. So, what I would like to you, all of you, to read here is Lalita has been a person who is a perfect balance of intelligence and creativity. So we always talk about, right side brain and left side brain. She has shown that, this is also about having that perfect blend of masculine and feminine energy, perfect blend, balance, going out of her comfort zone and doing the assignments, even if she felt that, oh no, it is not possible. So she has done all the assignments which she didn't feel like comfortable doing it. Following this process, showing leadership qualities at her workplace, always being uh, eager, yeah, I would like to learn these leadership skills. And then she followed it. She followed this compassionate listening in her team, implementing in real life and creating 10x real life results. She's associated with a software company, and now she's starting something of her own with her two talented colleagues. So in this journey of कुछ लोग होते हैं ना छुपे रुस्तम, उसमें से एक है ललिता. So Lalita, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. And
Thank you.
yeah, and thank you for enlightening the space for every one of us. So the next person that I'm going to talk about is a person who is full of enthusiasm, who is full of, valor for life. And this person has just amazed me. This person is like a sponge. Whatever is, you just pour anything, and she will take it like, she will absorb it like water. You have given me, I'm good. So if you serve her poison, she will drink it. And this person, just because of this thing, she has made me a very, very responsible coach. Why? Because someone who is so much dedicated, who is so much, ready to transform life, such mentees make great mentors. So The teachings that are coming are not just from Pallavi's place, but it is coming from every one of you. And this person was in a job in absolutely a mess of life. Her relationships were at a toss. Her money area was something where she was like, I am doing gratitude practices for 4 to 5 years, Pallavi, but I don't know why. I don't see that, magical result जो होता है ना, मतलब अच्छा तो लगता है, but वो magical result नहीं दिख रहा है. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि why I am not making that. And when we went deeper into healing practices, giving her some tools, many things came up. The biggest specialty of her is she was very truthful. Very truthful. The person who is truthful to the mentor gets some divine powers and support from the universe. Because when you are truthful to your mentor, universe is respecting your authenticity. It is not about being right or wrong. It is about being authentic. And I would like to share one thing that I had kept a secret, and today I want to explore that. That this person has set up her own business in the month of January, and in just 3 months, she created a turnover of more than 1 crore 30 lakhs, which was unimaginable for her also. So I put my hands together for Dipali Tanna. So Dipali Tanna is a person who has this specialty of being authentic. She implements everything. She follows everything like a very good student. She is a very sincere person. Maybe she was not on these calls regularly, but she has created hundreds real life results in her life while in this journey of Rich Mindset Morning Capsule. I am 100% sure. I'm 100% sure nowadays, just since 1 month when I was talking and thinking about Dipali, I was like, koi, if you are a parent, you are very sure about one child of yours. So Dipali is that person. She is very independent. She's a free soul. So if you want me to describe Dipali in one word, then it is a soul who loves freedom. Freedom. And she has created that freedom in every area, in her relationships, in her health. And she is very dedicated health enthusiast, and she has also created amazing results in her money area. She is a person who makes your travels comfortable. So the stage is yours, Dipali. I would just love to listen to your side after many days.
Can you hear me, Pallavi?
Yes,
Am I
yes,
audible?
yes.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't think so I would have done this without you, without your healing, without your guidance. I was in a mess state, when I started with you. Then January, I was in a very mess state. But you always said, kuch nahi hoega. You have a life to live. You can create. So create what you want. And I truly believe that I'm in the space of creation where I can create anything and everything what I want. So I'm so thankful to you. Like every day, I'm thankful to you.
Thank you so much, Dipali. And can you just share a little bit about your journey, the result, and the kind of life that you are living now? Because I am also not aware what is going on in this 1 month or in 2025, in fact.
Yeah. So, I mean, I had money issues, I had blockages, which Pallavi helped me to, clear it out. I had my limiting beliefs, which Pallavi helped me to, overcome my limiting beliefs. And the most important thing is to believe in magics, miracles, and trusting the universe that whatever happens, happens for the best.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dipali, for coming on this call, for taking time from your schedule and sharing the things that you have felt. So, Dipali is a person of a few words, but I would like to tell you that she is a person who is magical. I would say that sometimes the only after our call, the one word you should, she's a magical girl. Magical girl. Every call, she is giving me a great news. In every call, she is giving me some miraculous news. And I am like, oh my God, how is it possible? And then the universe is like, yeah, it is possible. So, Dipali has always astounded me with the results in relationships, how she has created a very beautiful bond with her mother-in-law and father-in-law, which was not always the case. Why? Because she was ready to break her layers of ego. She has created some peaceful terms with people around her, every person around her, and she has created tremendous results. And then one day she calls me, last week I had called you that wo mera investment loss mein chala gaya. I have just gained double of that. In this calm way, she's telling me this big news. So money के अगर आपको miracle सुनने हैं, तो Dipali is the perfect person. Thank you, Dipali, for creating this great friendship with money. And I can see that smile on your face and that calm on your face, how you are, living a great life. And always there, whenever you feel like, I'm always there for you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So many times what happens in life is you come across people who make you feel that, my God, what more is left to experience. So one person, Dr. Shripal Oswal, this person has come from, no faith, absolute no faith. Means when I remember our first call, he was like, how can it happen? मतलब आप सोचे और हो जाए, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? ये तो possible ही नहीं है. So this person, Dr. Shripal, is very special. Why? Because this is one person who came from, this is not possible. Absolutely zero faith in the process. Gratitude. I know some people who practice it. सही में ऐसे हो सकता है क्या मैम? Possible ही नहीं है. And with time, when we walked on this path slowly together, he has converted himself into the most faithful person. And what is special about Shripal is his life is not very easy to live. He goes through challenges every day, and he has embodied the principle of forgiveness and gratitude, even if it didn't made sense for him, for his logical mind. And because of this forgiveness and gratitude practices, he has created at least that peace within himself, that even if things are not great in the outside world, but I know that I can do something. I can create that another peaceful world inside me. And the greatest news and greatest manifestation, greatest result that Dr. Shripal has created is that when we had met, there was no possibility. And in fact, he was stressed out. How is it going to happen, ma'am? How is it going to? And I was like, just do this open prayer. Everything will be all right. And just a couple of days back, he has been awarded as a new role of being a new parent. So he has just welcomed a new member in his family. So Shripal, if you are there, please come on stage. The stage is yours. I would like to listen to you. It's a long time that I didn't even see you.
Hello.
Yes.
It was a quite sleepless night yesterday.
Yes.
I was skeptical whether I will attend this or not. But it's very special moment, I would say. And the journey has been amazing, ma'am. And every other day, I feel, there is a lot more to achieve and I can achieve it easily now. And whatever ups and downs, even if there are downs at times, but I don't feel anything about it. It's like, okay, this will just pass out and I will come out like anything the next day. And it happens. Next day, it's all like, special for me at clinic, at anywhere. So it's like I feel I'm now in a state of, gratitude all the time. So I'm connected to the faith in the divine that, okay, whatever has been planned, it's planned for our, whatever best is available for me. So, whatever, whether it's down, whether it's up, I'm all neutral now, most of the time. Because I feel okay now today, okay, if something has happened, fine, next day it all will be best only, much more better than this. Might be universe is testing me, okay, how he reacts when the things are not in his way. But now I'm very neutral, even if, there's something not going good. But I feel okay, after a few days, everything will be fine. And I know that, and that will happen for sure. So that's the state I am in, and I'm very much thankful to you for this. Actually, even I thought when in the month of October we started, ma'am told, I still remember it's a 3-month program. But as the days passed on, and I was, had some extra duties in the morning, so I became irregular after 3 or 4 months maybe. and watched few recordings also, but even that was not that regular. Got too much engaged in the clinic because Sweetie was not available all the time at the clinic, and I had some extra duties also. I learned cooking skill also in the meantime. So many things I learned on, like anything, and I feel many things are gonna be learned in this another 3-4 months also. So, but the biggest fear I had, okay, chalo, we two were working, so the whatever revenue was might fall or what. But I mentioned, ma'am, last month, in fact, it was highest than when we both worked together in last 3-4 years. So I don't know how I carried on, but I just did it. And whatever clinic load came, I learned some extra skills also. And those extra skills definitely helped me. Not to say, just to be stay in state of grateful and all these things, but I learned extra skills also. So that you can say, action with intentions. So that helped me a lot. And somehow I'm very, calm, peaceful, and just connected to the divine. Whatever is happening in the best favor for me.
Thank you so much. That was such a powerful sharing, Shripal. It shows that how can you see that, big hand for Shripal, that when you connect your faith, gratitude with the specialized skills, then magics are inevitable. And when he says that I learned special skills, it comes from the place of faith. The confidence, the faith that Shripal has, and what he is going through are two unimaginable things. Because every day he has to face the challenges, and now he is learning new skills which was not possible before for him. So Shripal, thank you so much for sharing. You have made a fantastic mentee, and I'm very happy to see that you're showing that now you're going to achieve all your dreams with faith, and there is nothing in this world which is impossible for Shripal. Lots of blessings from all of us to the new arrival. To the new arrival, whenever you decide the name of the baby, please share with us. This angel is there as the blessing of the universe, right? So thank you so much. Thank you so much. So the day when Shripa shared his news with me, all day I was so very happy and excited, and I was feeling like mere family mein ye hua hai. And I could sense the connection that I have with every mentee of mine. That it was not something which is for someone else. It was as if it is in my family. So this kind of connection happens when mentees create such great results. Thank you so much, Ripal, for coming here. And I wish great sleep for you. May you and Sweetie get some time to sleep and rest. Yeah, yeah, yes, right.
क्या है
Ripal.
राजमा चावल दे दे आज चलेगा और नाश्ते में क्या है
Yeah. नाश्ते में क्या है हमें भी बुलाना कभी नाश्ते में. So thank you very much. The next person is he is also now no surprises, because now we have only two people left. So the next person is very good and artistic dentist at Nagpur, and this person came to the program with that, ma'am, everything is good in my life, but I think that something is missing. Something is missing. And Dr. Vishwas Madan, if you are here on this call, I think you have sent me a message that you will not be able to, you are traveling, right? So anyways, if possible, please listen to this sharing and feel our emotions. So Vishwas was always like, I don't know, but I have done all the programs, ma'am. Means this is a person exactly opposite to most of the mentees I meet. He has done all the programs. He knows it all. He comes from that place where he knows it all, and I used to feel like, acha, so what is the thing that I can create for this person which will make him feel that yes, this is it. And whenever we used to go on calls, and I used to ask him, did you do this assignment, did you do this work, before I asked that, he used to tell me and share the results. This is one action taker. This is one person who takes action immediately, faster than you can imagine. Faster than you can imagine. बस कुछ आप उनके सामने सिर्फ प्रेजेंट करो. He is very good at stopping his mind from overthinking, and he is very good for having that pure intention towards the people around him, towards his spouse, towards his child, towards his parents-in-law, towards his patients and staff members. He has very pure intentions, and he has that capacity to go to that humble state, to get grounded in front of the mentor, to shed all the layers of ego and to become that person that even if I know everything, ma'am, I know nothing. So this is one person who has created, I have written 10x but 100x results. Even both Dr. Shri Vishwas and Dr. Shripal, they have experienced their highest earning months in this tenure of Rich Mindset Morning Capsules. And this is the biggest gift, you know. And I am really curious to see, Vishwas, what you're going to do in the coming days. He was here for a few minutes, but Vishwas, if you have joined the call, please share. And if not, then I would like you to post a video of your sharing in the group, because every member in this group is waiting for you for your sharing. Right? Thank you very much. Also, the last person, actually, who is not the last, this is the person that I would like to mention, Piyush Gupta. Piyush Gupta, when he entered, I would say that it was, for me, the experience was my child is crying. And when he was that at that place where it was difficult for him to come up, because his some people had duped him, and he is a person who gives everything generously. You know, this is a one person with utmost sense of generosity, very helpful. But when आपके जब अच्छी क्वालिटीज को कोई दूसरा इंसान उसका गलत फायदा उठाता है, तो you get really hurt, you know. That kind of place Piyush was in. But with time, slowly, when he was in that, I would say वो -10 में या -100 में थे when we met. And then slowly, बहुत दिनों तक -10 से 0 में भी नहीं आए, धीरे धीरे 0 पे आए. और फिर within a very short period of time, he actually accelerated his journey. And one day he comes on call, Pallavi, I want to share something. And I was also charged up. Let me see which problem Piyush is facing. And I was really, you know, alert. Like, what can I do for Piyush? Piyush came on the call. And what does he give me? I have attracted 8 sources of income. And it was mind blowing. 8 sources of income. This is the same person who was like, kahan se main paise kamau? How would I pay these things? How would I pay for that? He was so worried about how money will come. And then after a few months, he says, I have gotten the opportunities, Pallavi, to attract money from 8 sources. And I haven't gone there. These people are calling me for partnerships, for collaborations, for projects, for online projects. He attracted overseas projects, which he was waiting for almost 5 years. So this person has created 10x, 100x results in his life. Today he has come out from his depression. He is thriving. He is doing what his heart loves the most. He is very good at farming. He is doing that thing. He is waking up early in the morning at 4 a.m. when it was not possible for him. He was like, मुझे मैं तो दिन भर सोता हूँ, सुबह उठना तो मेरे से हो ही नहीं सकता. And today he is waiting for dawn to come so that he can go out in the farm and do the work that he loves the most. So Piyush, if you are listening to this recording, I would like you to record a small video how you feel about it and share in the group so that we know what you're feeling. So Piyush is one person who also had that innocence in him. The innocence that he carried, he had blind faith in the process. Every time he used to say, okay, tell me kya karna hai, I will do that. Whatever assignments I gave him, वो logical है, illogical है, no questions asked. No questions asked. He just did it with blind faith. So if you have, I think we have come to the end of this program. So if you can see how every person here who has shared their results, they came from the place of faith. So here, this one program is about the secrets of success. If you just listen to the recording and listen to each person's sharings, you will find out everything was coming from heart. Or jab bhi impromptu comes from the heart. That is the secret that these people are sharing, right? So anyone would like to share anything, because I don't want to be the person who is talking all the time. Yes, please. Yes, please, Dr. Gajanan.
Yes, today I'm sharing that till today, अभी तक का highest achievement of income making capex. Till today,
Oh.
just 2 days at today and tomorrow is left. Just अभी तक का highest still highest income.
My God. Oh my God. You made my day. You made my day, Dr. Gajanan. Thank you so much for sharing. Can everyone put your hands together for Dr. Gajanan? I tell you, in dentistry, it is not very easy to go to this level where one can say with this much of enthusiasm and gratitude that and confidence that I abhi tak ka highest hai. This is a big achievement. We don't know what kind of efforts Dr. Gajanan has put. Really. And he doesn't come from a very big town. Huh? He is coming from a small town, and he is empowering people, and he is creating different kind of awareness about dentistry. So you are a gem for the field of dentistry, Dr. Gajanan. I can see how dentistry is going to get elevated because of your presence in it. Thank you so much for sharing, and big, big congratulations. I think you're going to break the ceiling in the next 6 months. You're going to break the ceiling.
Literally, assistant, associate, even their supporting hands are there, helping hands are there. Without them, nothing is impossible.
Called as humility.
Possible.
As humility. Very good. Very well said. आपने उनको क्रेडिट दिया, यही आपका बड़प्पन है. This is your greatness. Very good. Thank you, Dr. Gajanan. Thank you so much. And if you falter at any step of journey, I'm always there. Remember that the association or the relationship is not ended. Only one leg of the program is ended, right? And we are all going to be in touch. And give me some time what I can curate for you so that you can be at least in maintenance phase. Now you know everything. Now you know everything. But to be there and to have that support ki हाँ इस call पे, so कुछ maintenance call I am planning, and I am going to share that in just give me 15 days, and then I will come up with the idea, because universe is also guiding, and you all have that desire. So something will be co-created with you, me, and the universe. Thank you so much. My heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for making this program a big success, because without your presence, without your support, without your sincerity, I wouldn't have had this chance of experiencing the joy of creation of fantastic results in your life. So if you want to give me anything, just fulfill your dreams. Fulfill your dreams. That is an offering. That is the biggest gift for me, and that is something that I look forward to. Congratulations, and I will be the happiest person in the world if you share the news. So if you think that किसी के साथ share करो तो ये हो सकता है, वो हो सकता है, लोग jealous हो जाते हैं, judge करते हैं, come to me. This is a non-judgmental space where you are going to get only utmost happiness, joy, and love. Remember that you are special. You are not going to create magic. You are magic. So be magic to the people around you and to your profession. Thank you very much. Anyone else who would like to share or ask any question?
Just request to hold that on YouTube recordings there.
Yes. Sure.
It's make it revision, make it and revise. Just hold that.
Yeah, I could not hear you clearly. Can you please repeat that and increase the volume?
Just request you to hold the recordings of the sessions in the group.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. It will be shared. The playlist will be shared on your personal window. Sure, Dr. Gajanan. Thank you for reminding me. Thank you. Yeah.
Pallavi,
Yes.
can I leave the meeting now? I've come to my
Yes.
come
How
out.
was how was the experience?
It was a learning experience, and it gives me a lot of confidence that people have achieved. Your mentees have achieved. So I have more faith in you now. But I have live examples. So I'm very happy to have enrolled in this. I can see the results. And congratulations, every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. So Dr. Nika is
I'm the new mentee.
yeah.
And I hope to achieve a lot, just like you all.
Yes.
All the
Thank you.
best wishes, and you're
Thank you. Thank
definitely
you
going
so
to
much.
get transformed and achieve all your dreams in your life. God bless
Thank you
you.
so
and
much.
Half your
is
battle
there.
is won because you already enrolled. So I don't think you have
Oh,
anything to worry.
it feels great to know this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nita, for coming here. Thank you so much for your presence.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Any question, anything? If then we can wind up the call. Thank you very much, everyone. And give me a few days so that I can share something special, something great for you, which can keep you on that maintenance zone, and you can be, feel that, yeah, thoda sharing, thoda maintenance phase zaruri hai manifestation mein, because with time, sometimes knowledge fades away, right? Because universe has given this blessing of forgetting the things, right? So thank you very much. Today is a special day for me, and you all have made me very emotional. Thank you for this beautiful gift. Thank you. All the best and congratulations. Be magic.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you are
Bye-bye.
bye bye.